So beautiful day at this 7-island lake listing. You've got a 2-car plus garage, pretty much level frontage, a couple steps down to the water, but nothing terrible. It's a beautiful fall day. We got a couple fishermen out there in a pontoon boat. So coming up from the garage, they got a little covered landing here and a really nice no maintenance deck with the wire rails, which gives you a great unobstructed view of the waterfront. Wood siding along with some other accents. This garage, it has a poured foundation. It's into the hill, which goes straight back. And I'm just going to show the back side of the house. Nice gutter systems everywhere. So coming in the door, this has updated windows for the most part. It's really not that old of a cabin. Originally started out and they bought this pretty much remodeled on this level, and then they put an addition on. So you got some nice windows going out to the lake. Got a little freestanding wood stove. So a little dining area and kitchen, breakfast bar, open to the living room, some nice wood beam accents. There is a loft area up there. Some really cool backsplash tile. Got a very modern kitchen, newer dishwasher. Just gonna show that backsplash. Got a gas stove, multiple burners, granite countertops. There's a spiral staircase that goes up. There is a wall furnace here, but there's also a forced air furnace. Got a half bath just off of the kitchen area. And again, unique backsplash. Off the living room area are 2 bedrooms. So nice, cozy cottage bedrooms with closet. Number 2. Again, these have really nice panel wood doors. And then this also has closet at the living room. You've got some wood floor, some tile. Nice kitchen area. Here is this little loft area. They're just using it for storage. The bathroom, full bath, shower. Again, some really unique tiles. And I love these animal tiles. They're throughout the home, especially in the bathroom kitchen area where the tiles are. In this hallway, they do have, this is where the water comes in. You can shut the pump off, and it does have laundry hookup. They just didn't add that yet. And you've got a little bar area. This is part of the addition. You got tile floor. This leads out to the side of the storage shed area, and then this leads into the bedroom. So this has nice tall wood ceilings, lots of natural light, windows going out to that lake view from this main bedroom, and that leads out to the deck. So you can get to the deck from this primary bedroom. All the patio doors have the really nice shades that go up and down, and you don't have to worry about cleaning them. They're inside the glass. All electronic locks, door codes, and nice screen doors. In the garage, this is insulated, sheeted. It's all set up for winter sports. There is an electric heater, and it's all white. Back wall, that's all poured concrete. Some shelving, and a really nice door that's not chain driven. So here's the basement. There's an outside entrance to it, no inside entrance, but this is where hot water heater, pressure tank, and furnace are. So this is the drive-in. This is Tall Pine Trail. It is a private road, and so privately maintained by the owners that use this. And so it goes down, it's kind of a steeper road, and then it takes a sharp right here. And it does make a circle. So this comes back out at this exact same spot. This is the drive down. Beautiful time of year. Gorgeous hardwoods area, and the property starts right here and actually goes straight back to County B. It's a long, deep lot, and so this circle drive continues on to the left and comes back out in the same spot. So, but this is the property.